Hey everybody, this is Shin Lim and welcome to Air. This concept will allow you to go beyond the applications of just simply vanishing or making an object appear. It's a tool that allows you to transition between different moments of magic, such as productions, vanishes, and transformations. I've even decided to add in my touches on this concept when you can take an object and pass it through solid glass. Again, I am so excited for this project. My name is Shin Lim, and this is Air by Alain Simonov.